Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to fix TikTok age restriction. So to do this process, first is open up the TikTok application into your device. Now, once you are here on the TikTok app, you could just simply go ahead and go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you are here on your profile, guys, you can just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Now, over here on the menu, you can just simply go for the settings and privacy at the very bottom of the screen. And now, over here, you can just simply go to the very first one, which is content preferences. So go ahead and tap on content preferences. And now over here, guys, you should be able to see here restricted mode. And if you want to fix the TikTok age restriction, make sure that this is turned off so you will have the fullest potential of the TikTok application. And pretty much over here, you should be able to utilize this feature and you can just simply turn it off to fix any issue. And if it doesn't work out, you could also try to update your age to 18 years old. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.